In today's video, I'm going over the top 7 products that you should dropship in your Shopify store to get some serious sales in January in 2023. I took this one product, you can see live, there we go, to $13,000 in a single day, and this is live sales. Now, if you want to go ahead and make these kind of numbers, then go ahead and watch the video all the way through. These 7 products are crushing it in other people's stores, so you can literally replicate it for your own store to get some serious sales. And of course, as always, if you enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to apply for my mentorship program, it's going to be the first link in the description. You can schedule a call with one of my team members, and they can see if you're the right fit to work with me personally. 2022 has been a crazy year. I was able to generate millions of dollars online in sales, and now I want to help more people like you do the same. If you're looking for that extra help and looking to work with a mentor that actually knows what they're talking about, click the link to apply, schedule a call, and then on the phone call, they'll see if you're the right fit for joining my mentorship program. With that, let's get into these 7 products, and they just get better as time goes on. Let's go. So here we go. I have on my screen these top 7 products. Now, these 7 products are going crazy right now on different Shopify stores. And that's what I like to do. I like to look for products that are already doing well out there in the market and try to be a little bit better so I can be better and have better sales. So the first product on the list is actually a product that is really good for couples and for people that are interested in, love products, and especially Valentine's Day coming up. This could be a very good one. So let's take a look at the video and let's see why it's such a good product.
Have you ever been in love? I think so.
So as you can see, this product is pretty cool. It's like a rose that sparkles and that glows in the dark.
Do you want me to describe it to you?
So something that's super, super cute, and overall this went crazy. I had 59,000 views on this organic video. So you can either do TikTok organic or run paid ads. Currently right now, TikTok ads and TikTok organic is crushing it for us, and it's what I'm teaching to my students, and that's how they're able to get some crazy results. But this is a product that's a great product. Let's go ahead and look at their website and see if there's room for improvement. So right off the bat on their store, they're selling this for $109. I think that's a lot for this product. It looks like you can actually customize and personalize the ribbon, which is pretty cool, but also I would try to, get the price lowered if you are going to sell this, right? Overall, the website is okay. There's not much going on here. I would put some GIFs and make sure that your website looks a lot cleaner than this. So this is an easy store to overcome and something that you could sell in your Shopify store to get some serious sales with. Now, if we go to AliExpress, they're selling this for around 13 bucks. So I don't know why they're selling it for so expensive. Maybe it's a new variant, but overall, you should be selling this somewhere around the $49 or $39 range. Moving on to product number 2, and this product has been seen all over the place, but is still going viral right now, so you could capitalize off it if you're quick enough. Let's take a look at the actual product. Wait.
Ordered this fairy light spirit tree, and I can't believe how magical it is. It's seriously so beautiful. It transforms anywhere we put it in. And I love that it's battery operated, so you can use...
So pretty cool product. Overall, this product pretty much just glows in your room. It's a cool home decor product, and I've seen a lot of home decor products do pretty good. The reason why I put this on the list is because it actually got 5 million views on this particular video, which is absolutely wild. Let's see the product on the product page and see if something is something that we can sell. Now, overall, I love this website. You can, right away see that it's super professional. It doesn't really look like a dropshipping store, which is the awesome part. And they have these little options where, they get people to buy more than one. They have a deal going on here. If you buy 1 for 40 and then buy 2 for 60. So it gets people to go for the bigger option and obviously makes them more profit. I love how they have the really cool images and they have the money back guarantee, makes people feel safe. And overall, this website just looks super, super clean. I definitely recommend that you learn from this website. So when you launch your own Shopify store, it looks something like this and that you can make some serious sales with it. Now moving on to product number 3, and this product is also another love product. Again, Valentine's Day is a day where a lot of people make a lot of money. So from now to Valentine's Day, you could capitalize off products just like this. Let's take a look at what this product does.
You need to listen to this.
So I personally think that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's literally roses and an initial of, you know, like your girlfriend or someone's girlfriend, you know, wife, whatever it is. So personally, I think this is one of the best products on the list. Just because it's personalized, it's different, and you can do this organically and run ads on it. Let's see the product in action. And let's see how they're selling it. They're selling for $40. I'm pretty sure you can get this for like 10 bucks on AliExpress. I'm actually gonna look at AliExpress in just a second, but the product page definitely needs a lot of work. I mean, just look at it. It's really, really unprofessionally done, and it looks like a dropshipping store. So this is something you can definitely take advantage of and overcome them. So let's go to AliExpress and let's just type in the word name necklace with roses. I don't know if they're gonna have the whole package, but let's take a look. So they don't have this product right off the bat, but let's see if I spelled it wrong maybe. So they do have name necklaces here for literally like $2. What you could do is click on one of them, let's say for example this one, and then you can go ahead and message the supplier. So just go into the top left and then press contact now, and it'll literally send them the message. Say, hey, I wanted to know if I can drop ship this product, and maybe if you can add roses on the side, I'll pay you extra, right? So send them a picture of how the product I just showed you looks, and then maybe they'll be able to customize the product for you if maybe you buy in bulk or strike a deal with them. So this is how you can think out of the box. I think this is a great product, especially with the roses and the custom name necklace, something I would buy for my wife. So hey, who knows? Now, next product on the list is this product right here. Pretty cool. It actually heats up your eyelashes. So I don't know why the video is so short, but let me show you it on the actual website. This one is something I looked into. I don't personally want to sell this because it's a little cheap. I do think that if you are a girl watching this video, you could be selling this and make some really good money on TikTok. Again, guys, I don't know why people are putting this guaranteed safe checkout badge. It looks super, super spammy. I do like everything else though. I don't see where, you know, the reviews, oh, there we go. Reviews are right here. Overall, this website looks super, super clean. I would just remove this. It just looks a little spammy. You can just tell it's a dropshipping store with that badge. Every dropshipper uses this. Stop using it. It doesn't work. But yeah, this is a product that's super cheap. Also, you can get it off AliExpress for a few dollars and then sell it for around 17 to 20 bucks. Overall, great product and is trending right now on TikTok. Moving on, the product that I have here is also a love product. Again, guys, anything that women would buy or anything that has to do with love, very likely could do well, right? So let's look at this one.
Whenever I tap my bracelet, hers lights up so she knows I miss her.
This is the coolest thing. Like literally, if you tap it, it will alert the other one and will start glowing on the other person's bracelet.
She just tapped hers.
I think it's super good for long distance relationships, people like that. And usually those people are very, very passionate about what, what they're about. And I think passionate people buy the most. So this one is actually on Pinterest and it got 16,000 saves. So I don't think it's on TikTok. You could check it out and bring it over to TikTok if you don't see it. And if it's on TikTok already, it's okay. I still would go ahead and advertise this product. I mean, just look at the website. It's not like the most amazing looking website. So you can definitely do better with this. I believe they're doing like a free gift and a free gift box, which is cool. It gets people to kind of say, hey, wow, like this is like a bonus that they're doing, and it gets them to buy. So they're selling this for $100. It's a little steep. Let's go to AliExpress and see how much you're getting it for. So this product is something I actually can find on AliExpress, which also could be a very good sign. If you can go ahead and find this product somewhere that you can drop ship with it, it may allow you to stand out. And this is what I tell people that, and this is what I tell all my students. I tell them if you can find products that it's very hard to find on AliExpress, then you're gonna have a lot less competition. So keep that in mind and good luck searching for it. But if you do find it, you might have a banger in your hand. Okay, so moving on to product number 6, take a look at this one.
change my nails every week.
So
I
as we know, the women spend so much money on their nails, but this product's pretty cool.
that every Monday morning I will have new nails. But my nail salon was expensive and took too long.
It's pretty much gel that creates fake nails, and I think that's pretty cool, okay? I think women would definitely buy this product. Let's take a look at the actual store. They're selling it for 20 bucks, which is pretty cheap, but they are doing like a popular bundle here where they say buy 3 get 2 free, which is awesome, or buy 7 and save $50, which is pretty crazy. So bundles do very well, guys. If you can do bundles, you are one step closer to getting some serious sales. Anyways, that is that. And then finally, this sushi maker is something that's going viral on Pinterest. Take a look. It's literally a sushi maker. I was literally like talking to one of my friends and I was saying, hey, like I really want to start making sushi. So I think this is a cool product, to, you know, do it yourself product. This is something that you could look into. It's doing pretty well on Pinterest. I definitely, you know, it's not like, wow, like it's not going viral, but because the video is not like that amazing, there's no music on it, it's just very bland or whatnot. So it's also not even in English. That's why, like, if you want, you can bring it to the English market. So this is the last product on the list, and I think it's a cool one. Definitely look into this because sushi. Who doesn't want to make sushi? And it's like, do it for yourself. Anyways, those are the 7 products for January 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you drop a subscribe button. I'm actually going to be creating a video on how I did over $13,000 in sales in a single day with my Shopify dropshipping store, and you do not want to miss it. So make sure you hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and I want to choose a winner for the free custom made store. If you watch until now, I usually give a custom made store in every single video, and I haven't chosen a winner in a little bit. So let me go ahead and choose a winner from one of the last week's videos. Okay, the winner of the Shopify store, the custom made Shopify store, is Null Fail Media. He said, Shopify, actually the best products to sell in December. Thank you. And appreciate that comment. All you got to do is message me on Instagram at RealSamJacobs, and I will send you over your custom made store. Give us about a week to create it and to be able to find you the right product, but I can't wait to build it out for you with my team. It's going to be awesome. If you want to win a custom made Shopify store, all you got to do is just hit that subscribe button and comment something down below. I choose a winner every few videos or so, and I love giving back. My goal for this channel is just to give back to you guys. So hope you guys see that and continue to show the love. I appreciate every single one of you. And until next time, peace out.